Hey everyone, I am Megan, also known as Megzy to the OG. Thanks for tuning into my channel today. If you haven't already subscribed, then make sure you do so. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got in my March 2018 IPSY Glam bag. For those of you who don't know what IPSY is a monthly subscription service that sends you 5 makeup products, a makeup bag, and shipping for just $10 a month. If you want to sign up for IPSY, then make sure you use the link in my description box below. So the March 2018 Glam bag is all about you decorating it yourself. This is what the bag looks like. As you can see, there's tons of people on it. They have different hairstyles, different skin colors, different looks all together. And you're just supposed to color this in whatever way you want. And I don't know, I think I might actually leave mine plain. I really like the black and white look with the pink zipper. I think that's really cute. As always, they include a postcard. This month's postcard is the Create postcard. And it says that this month is all about turning yourself into a work of art. They've included 2 little markers, a pink and green one, and they just say IPSY Create on them. The first product that I'm gonna try is the Tarte Sex Kitten eyeliner. This is just like a small trial size, but I'm interested to see how it works. There you go. Pull it apart. Just your typical black eyeliner. I like to use these crayon types of eyeliners on my waterline. I feel like they're less irritating than using a pencil eyeliner. It might just be me. So the second product that I got is a Scone large eyeshadow brush. It is black and rose gold. IPSY, they always send me the best brushes, so I'm not too worried. I think that this is going to be a great brush. I like the size and the weight of it. It feels really good in my hand, and the bristles feel really high quality. But I guess I'll know once I actually try it out. Next up is the Glossier mintbalm.com Universal Skin Salve. So there is 0.24 fluid ounces in this container. The mintbalm.com, it is so just, that mint flavor is really potent and I love it. Okay, I'm excited to try that one. I wasn't that excited whenever I saw it in my glam bag. I was like, okay, whatever, I might use it. But then I actually put it on and it smells so good. I love that scent. Alright, next, this is the City Glow Duo Cream and Powder Highlight. There you go, it's the City Glow Cream and Powder Highlight Kit. This is a full-size product. I like that highlight. I don't know if you're going to really be able to pick up on it because I didn't want to put too much down. I haven't gotten any product photos yet, so I didn't want to ruin this. Okay, yeah, the cream one is definitely better than the powder. I love getting new highlighters like this City Color highlighter palette. I think it's going to be a really good highlighter palette for me, but like I'm saying, I love highlighters. Anytime I could get my hands on them, I definitely will, so can't wait to use this. Okay, and we're already down to the last product in my glam bag. This is the Hikari Cream Pigment Eyeshadow in Envy. Hikari makes some really good cream pigmented eyeshadows. Wow. This is perfect for St. Patrick's Day, which is actually today. Love that color. Overall, I'm pretty happy with my glam bag. Of course, I wouldn't usually buy some of these products, but I love that IPSY sends them to me and I get to try them out because then I fall in love with a brand or a product that I didn't think I would like. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, then make sure you give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, then make sure you subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys later. Happy St. Patrick's Day!